10 2013 Ford Focus Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford Volvo DPS-6 Double Clutch Installation Tool. Tackling a Ford or Volvo DPS-6 double clutch job can be daunting, but with our specialized installation tool, you're set for success. Engineered as a direct, high-quality replacement for FM 307675, it perfectly fits your DPS-6 transmission, saving you significant money without compromise. Our heavy-duty steel tool is rigorously engine-tested for OEM-level accuracy. In fact, some designs even surpass original specifications for longevity. It's purpose-built by professional engineers for seamless dry transmission disassembly and precise twin-clutch alignment, making oil seal changes straightforward. Enjoy anti-corrosion durability and a tool that delivers professional results, ensuring a smooth, accurate repair every time. Choose confidence, choose precision. Number 9. Ford Focus Fiesta Transmission Clutch Actuators. Is your Ford Focus 2012 to 2017 or Fiesta 2011 to 2017 struggling with frustrating, jerky, or delayed shifts? Our premium automatic transmission clutch actuator B is precision-engineered to restore flawless, consistent performance. As a direct replacement for OE Part AE8Z 7C604A, expect perfect compatibility and effortless installation, eliminating guesswork. Crafted from high-quality, OE standard materials, this vital component guarantees exceptional reliability and consistent operation for miles to come. Bid farewell to common fault codes and sluggish responses. You'll enjoy smoother, more accurate clutch engagement, significantly boosting transmission efficiency, reducing driver fatigue, and enhancing your vehicle's overall responsiveness and drivability. Reclaim the confident, seamless drive you deserve. Number 8. Ford Focus DPS-6 DCD-2 50 Clutch Reset Tool. Tackling a DPS-6 clutch reset on your Ford? Make it simple and precise with our specialized clutch reset tool. Designed with a perfect 3/8-inch DR X14 ribs fit, this tool effortlessly unlocks the clutch motor electromechanical unit. Just insert, turn counterclockwise, and watch the clutch open completely. It's genuinely that easy. Whether you're servicing a Fiesta, Focus, EcoSport, or Transit Connect, its wide application covers all compatible Ford 6-speed dry dual-clutch DPS-6 transmissions, making it an indispensable asset. Crafted from high-hardness, heat-treated carbon steel, you're investing in a sturdy, corrosion-resistant tool built for lasting reliability and professional-grade wear resistance. Get the job done right, the first time, with confidence and ease. Number 7. Focus 2012 to 2018 2.0 L Engine Transmission Mount Kit. Is your 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 L feeling a bit rough or vibratory? Restore that factory smooth ride with our Engine Transmission Mount Kit. As dedicated manufacturers, we're obsessive about quality, crafting these mounts from the finest raw materials and rigorously testing them in advanced labs. This isn't just an OE replacement, it's an upgrade. Our mounts are engineered to meet, and often surpass, original specifications, providing superior vibration dampening for a noticeably quieter and more stable driving experience. Designed for a perfect fit for your 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 L, replacing OE A5646 AV6 Z6038A, installation is straightforward. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. Drive smoother, drive smarter. Number 6. Genuine Ford Dual Clutch Fluid. Give your Ford's DPS-6 PowerShift transmission the ultimate care it deserves with genuine Ford Dual Clutch Fluid. This isn't just any fluid. It's meticulously engineered with synthetic base oils and advanced additives, ensuring incredibly smooth, responsive shifts regardless of the temperature outside. Specifically formulated for the unique demands of your twin dry clutch system, it perfectly meets WSS M2C200 D2 specifications and even powers your transmission's shift mechanisms. Beyond flawless operation, it actively combats wear and corrosion, extending your transmission's lifespan. Plus, its optimized low viscosity isn't just about protection, it actually contributes to better fuel economy. Choose genuine for peak performance and lasting peace of mind. Number 5. Ford Focus 2012 to 2016 2.0 L engine and transmission mounts. Tired of nagging vibrations and excessive noise diminishing your Ford Focus driving experience? It's time to revitalize it. Our premium engine motor and transmission mount set, perfectly compatible with 2012 to 2018 2.0L models, offers a remarkable upgrade. This complete three-piece kit provides superior engine support and stability, drastically minimizing vibrations and ensuring a noticeably smoother, quieter ride. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, these mounts are built to withstand daily demands, delivering reliable, long-lasting performance. You'll instantly feel the difference in comfort and handling. Plus, installation is hassle-free, designed for quick, confident fitting without specialized tools. Restore your Focus's optimal performance and enjoy every journey again. Number 4. Motorcraft Transmission Fluid. Number 3. 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0L Motor and Trans Mounts. Is your 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0L automatic feeling a bit rough, with noticeable vibrations or noise? It might be time for new motor and transmission mounts. As an industry-leading manufacturer, we've meticulously engineered these direct replacement mounts using only the highest quality raw materials, rigorously tested in our advanced lab. This ensures OE-level performance and durability, guaranteeing a perfect match in fit, function, and appearance to your factory parts. Say goodbye to uncomfortable rattles and hello to the smooth, quiet ride your Focus was designed for. Specifically engineered for your vehicle, these mounts restore optimal engine and transmission stability. Plus, your investment is protected by our 1-year warranty, offering complete peace of mind. Refresh your ride with confidence. Number 2. Programmed TCM Replacement for Ford Focus 2.0L 2011 to 2018. Is your 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus 2.0L struggling with transmission issues? Reclaim its smooth, responsive performance with our programmed TCM replacement. Engineered to perfectly match part numbers like AE8Z7Z369F, this unit guarantees superior accuracy, restoring that seamless acceleration and reliable drive feel you remember. Say goodbye to frustrating shudders or erratic shifts. Crafted from robust, high-quality materials, our TCM replacement offers exceptional durability and resilience, ensuring consistent, reliable performance for years. This isn't just a fix, it's a lasting solution designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, invest with confidence knowing it's backed by a full 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. Get your Focus driving like new again. Number 1. 6DCT 250 DPS 6 Ford Clutch Kit and Lever. Is your Ford's automatic transmission feeling less than perfect? Restore that factory smooth drive with our 6DCT 250 DPS 6 Ford Clutch Kit. Engineered as a direct OEM replacement, DPS 6DCT 250 602000800. This kit offers a seamless fit for popular models including the Fiesta 2013 to 2018, Focus 2012 to 2018, EcoSport, B-Max, and C-Max. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal materials, it boasts superior temperature resistance and an extended service life, ensuring reliability mile after mile. Experience precise gear changes and effortless clutch engagement, thanks to its robust double clutch fork function designed for optimal control. This comprehensive package includes everything you need: pressure plate, clutch disc, transmission bearing, and more, for a complete, confident transmission overhaul. Drive with confidence again. So, that sums up my 2013 Ford Focus transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great